Okay. So we are headed to Crystal River for just a few days. But before we get there, we are going to go past Crystal River. And
So after we get there.
Yeah, so after we get there. So we, handy dandy map, which I'm gonna try not to be a stereotype right now. We're gonna go past and we're gonna go to Homosassa Springs. What's really cool about this little area of Florida is there is a ton to do and see as far as the natural end of things. So you've got springs like crazy, you've got Ocala National Forest, wildlife refuges, manatees. It is a really cool place to be able to go check out all kinds of wildlife. And so what we're doing is we're going to go past Crystal River, which is where we're going to actually spend the night. And we're going to go all the way down to the Chassahowatsee. Is that right? Chassahowatsee?
You sure?
I don't think I'm saying that right. Anyway, the short version of that is the Chas River, where we hear has lots of otters and fish and birds and all kinds of neat things. Manatees are supposed to be there too. So we're going to go there first. We're going to do a quick little paddle there, probably a couple hours. And then when we're done with that, if we have time, we are definitely going to try and check out Homosassa Springs State Park or Weeki-Wachee. It just kind of depends on time and all that stuff. Homosassa Springs has a hippo. Weeki-Wachee has mermaids. And then when all that's done, it's back on the road 20 minutes north, back to Crystal River, so we can go to a brewery.
Yes, the brewery.
And fill up our growler.
Yes, filling the growler.
And find our place to stay for the night so that we can get up super early and go hang out with the manatees.
Still there inside my chest. I've been so worried, you've been so still, barely beating it all. Oh, don't leave me here alone. Don't tell me that we've grown for having loved a little while. Oh, I don't wanna be alone. I wanna find a home, I wanna share it with you. Hello, my old heart, it's been so long since I've given you away. And every day I add another stone to the walls I built around you to keep you safe. Oh, don't leave me here alone. Don't tell me that we've grown for having loved a little while. Oh, I don't wanna be alone. I wanna find a home, and I wanna share it with you.
So that's the moon up ahead because we just finished.
Oh, I didn't know you wanted me to talk.
We just finished at Cup Brewery in Ocala? No, not Ocala. Crystal River. And it was really cool because it was one of those places you kind of drive by and you think, eh. And then you go in and you meet some really nice people.
Like Karen.
And you drink some really good beer and you leave with a really cold growler. So, good stuff. We are now headed to the dreaded RV park. Publix, food, groceries, because we still don't have any of those. Then we're going to go to the dreaded RV park and we are going to drink our growler.
The entire contents.
And yeah. And then we're going to get up really early and go hang out with some manatees. Hey, good morning. It's manatee time. We are up at, it is like 7 o'clock in the morning, but it feels like 6 because time change happened last night. So we are just waiting on the coffee to finish steeping, packing a couple things to take on the boat, and then we are out of here to swim with some manatees. Should be fun if we can wake up. The table slamming into the wall. Also, I left my chair way too far forward when I turned because I wanted more room back there. I didn't consider trying to get into my seat.
One of our doors is open.
Which one?
Oh, now. When we get up here away from all the people, we'll shut it. That way we don't have to.
Morning, babe.
Good morning, sir.
What's up?
Not much. Just take it off and go for a swim.
With? Say it.
Oh, the humanity.
Oh, the humanities! We're gonna see so many manatees. Actually, in reality, we're probably not gonna see a whole lot of manatees. The thing is manatees.
It's a sliding door that's open.
Oh. Our door was open. No piggy. Manatees come to the springs in the winter months, and it is March.
All I can hear is the beeping from you not having your seatbelt on.
Jeez, I can't put my seatbelt on because I'm holding the sliding door closed.
Oh, whatever. That's not a good excuse.
Turns are hard. Oh, I need coffee. There better be a lot of manatees, even though it's March.
Nothing lasts forever. And some things aren't meant to be. But you'll never find the answers until you set your old heart free. Until you set your old heart free.
manatee.
Why isn't he green?
Right? Think this is the visitor center?
Yeah.
Maybe you check in, so maybe we do need the park pass.
I don't know.
And that's the Georgia one I have in my hand anyway.
Oh. Okay.
What's happening?
Their road is just ends and it doesn't. Nobody tells you. There's no sign or anything. Just...
And that's why we love the Travado, because we can back it up like a car and park it like a car. So for us, quick stops and relocations are not a problem. Yeah, that looks like a park volunteer in there, so I think this is the visitor center.
But is
I think that's it right there.
Barely beating it all.
So we have to find, look at that spot right there.
It's made for us. It says RVs.
Don't leave me
No
here
overnight parking.
Oh,
Don't
so you
tell
walk
me
in.
that
Yep, you walk in. Cool. So I don't know if we can bring a picnic lunch or not, but we will attempt to.
You got a bag?
Yay! Yay! Hippos!
I want to share it with you. Hello, my old heart. It's been so long since I've given you away. Every day I add another stone to the walls I built around you to keep you safe. Oh, don't leave me here alone. Don't tell me that we've grown, haven't loved a little while. Oh, I don't wanna be alone. I wanna find a home. I wanna share it with you. Hello, my old heart. How have you been? How is it being locked away? Don't you worry, in there you're safe. And it's true, you'll never beat, but you'll never break. Nothing lasts forever. And some things aren't meant to be. But you'll never find the answers till you set your old heart free. Until you set your old heart free. Hello, my old heart. Hello, my old heart.
So we are all done. We're on our way home. This morning we swam with the manatees in Crystal River with River Ventures. And Kings Bay, and that was awesome. And if you want to go on a guided tour, those are definitely the guys to go with. But also check out the blog because because we learned some things, and it's worth looking at because you don't necessarily have to go with a guide. So
To save you some money.
Yeah, so if you're not a guide person or you want to save a couple bucks, there's some potential options for you. Then we went to Homosassa Springs, which was really amazing. And we got to see Lou the hippo and the alligators, and it is such a cool park because it's like a zoo, but it's not a zoo, which makes it awesome in its own way. Right? Yeah.
It's more like an aquarium and zoo mixed together of all the native species to that area. That's more like what
so
it is.
native species and all the animals are rescued or rehabilitated, and so it's not a zoo, which is amazing because it's animal tourism, but with a conservation mind, which is really special and exciting.